Tired of searching for the activation sticker that came with your US Bank debit card? Let's ditch the old school methods and activate your US Bank debit card quickly and securely, right from your phone. First, make sure you've downloaded the US Bank mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app. Now, log in using your existing US Bank online banking username and password. If you don't have online banking set up yet, you'll need to enroll first. Follow the prompts on the screen to do that. Once you're logged in, look for the menu icon, usually located in the top left or right corner of the screen. It often looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Tap that icon. A menu will slide out or appear. Scroll through the options until you find Activate Card. The exact wording might vary slightly, but it will be something similar. Tap Activate Card. You'll be prompted to enter some information about your debit card. This usually includes the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. That's the 3-digit number on the back of your card. Enter all the information carefully and double-check it's accurate. After you've entered the information, tap Activate or a similarly worded button. The app will verify your information and activate your card. You should see a confirmation message on the screen with a green check mark indicating successful activation. And that's it. Your US Bank debit card is now activated and ready to use. You can now enjoy all the benefits of mobile banking, including easy transaction monitoring, mobile check deposits, and enhanced security features. Enjoy the convenience.